Alright, this is my Cars 2 collection. Let's start with Lightning McQueen. We have a Mega Face Lightning McQueen. A plush Lightning McQueen. A Air Hogs remote control Lightning.
Oh yeah, today's a great day to be a race car.
Very nice. A tiny Lightning McQueen. I got this from a nice lady at Winco. This is a Rusty's Micro Drifter. This is an Atmates car. Regular Lightning diecast, Rusty's. The same thing. Mini Adventures. A World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen. A Playmat Lightning McQueen. A Golden Micro Drifters McQueen. Atomica Lightning McQueen. A Quick Changers Lightning McQueen. A World Grand Prix Micro Drifter of Lightning McQueen. Action Agent McQueen. This is one of my very own and single McQueens. This is the Dinoco McQueen, also from Mini Adventures. The Pez McQueen, just working on its bottom. Oh, sorry, and the Hydro Wheels McQueen. And down at my computer table, we got Maters, the collection of Maters. We have the Mini Adventures Lightning McQueen Team Mater. A Race Team Mater from Mighty Beans and Cars 2. A Quick Changers Mater from Cars 2. A Playmat Mater. A normal die-cast Mater. Mater the Greater. A Spy Wings Mater. I have two Mater the Greaters. The other one's right there. Cars 2 Mater. Another Race Team Mater from Mighty Beans. Action Agent Mater and Old. Micro Drifter Mater. And new Action Agent Mater. And up on here we have Shoot the Rookie. The Action Agent and Micro Drifter. And right behind there is the bad cars, the bad guys. We have Professor Z, the Action Agent, Playmat, Diecast, and Micro Drifter. We have Graham, the Micro Drifter, Playmat, a Quick Changer. Let me just change it. There we go. And an Action Agent. And a Micro Drifter, Playmat, and Action Agent, Acers. And here on the shelf, we got Flow. Two Flows. We have a pull back and release Flow and a Mighty Beans Flow. And way down here we got three Carlo Velocos. We have a Micro Drifter, Playmat, and Diecast. And up here is two cars from Italy. Uncle Topolino and Tomber. And up here we got some characters here. Here's Snot Rod. There he is, all by himself. The Radiator Springs Cazadilla Tires crew. We have Luigi, Mighty Beans Luigi, and a diecast Guido, and two Mighty Bean Guidos. And we have three Mighty Beans of Sarge. And down here we got a Micro Drifter of Meow Meow. We do have a diecast, but we didn't have any time to find it. We tried to find it, but we couldn't see. Two Mighty Beans of Sally. Two Ramones from Mighty Beans. And here we have three Rod Torque Red Lines. Playmat, diecast, and a Action Agent. And right between we have Miles Axelrod and two Chick Hickses. Mini Adventures, Dinoco Chick, and a Micro Drifters Chick. And over here we have Francesco Benoli. We have an Action Agent, die-cast playmat, and a micro drifter. And right here we have 2 die-casted micro drifter of Jeff Gorvette. And here we got 5 Holy Shipwells. We have micro drifter Lego Holy Shipwell with screen, action agents, playmat, and a quick changer. And that's all. Oh wait, I forgot. Here are 3 piston cup racers. Clutch Aid, Octane Gain, and Spearmint. And all the way over here we have Mac Truck, who holds Lightning McQueen around. He's actually a storage case. The Colossus Dump Truck. He's a car-chomping beast. And here we have 5 more World Grand Prix racers from Cars 2. We have Raul Sarul, Rip Klushkanowski, they're all here, Max Chanel, Lewis Hamilton, and Nigel Gearsley. And it looks like that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and check out my other one, my first one. Nigel's up there. So is Rip. That's all of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. See you guys next time. Bye.